Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to read books offline on Wattpad for iOS and Android. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. To read books offline, you will need to add the story to your library. So for that, select the story and tap on this three dot, tap on add to, tap on library. So the story has been added to my library, so I'm going to tapping on my library, and here you will get your story. And to read the story offline, all you have to do is just tap on this download icon, and as you can see the story is available offline. Now I'm going to turn off my Wi-Fi and my net connection, and now I'm in offline. Now I'm tapping on this story, and here you can see I can read the story offline. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.